I got roses. Now what? I know, that's the hard part. You got the beautiful blooms. How do you get them to look like this? Do it right when they come. Don't delay. Take them out. Open it up. And loosen them. Let the air in. Let them breathe. And then you're ready to design. Next, find the right vase. A wider mouth is easier to work with than a very tight mouth. Height, you want them to be about half the height of your roses. Too short doesn't work as well. Then yes, use the flower food that's included. Make sure you read the package and use the recipe correctly, because that will keep the flowers alive so much longer. Now, using a sharp clipper, separate out the foliage and the accent blooms and give them all a little cut. A fresh cut means they'll drink better and again, last longer. And go ahead and slide that down into the vase. Again, shake it, loosen it to let it relax. Last, you're going to add your beautiful roses. The way to make that work, start at the bottom. I know the inclination is to start in the center, but no, start at the bottom, radiate from one side clear to the other, making sure it gets down into the water, and repeat that with all 12 roses going around from one side to the other, clipping. And then once you get the bottom layer, just go up about to the middle, saving the center for very last. I know, fast and simplified. The professionals know there's actually so much more to making a fabulous vase. But look how easy it is for you to take your roses, design, and enjoy. You'll find more inspiration at our website, flowerschool.com. If you have questions, you can reach us through there. But for now, it's your turn. Create a beautiful design with roses. Make sure you take a picture, #FoilDesignInstitute. That way we can see what you do as you do something you love.